This is the engine of productivity for heavy-duty packaging. Engineered with a powerful dual-station design for continuous, high-speed operation. It handles large packages from 10 to 25 kilograms with precision. Built with world-class components for unmatched reliability and long service life. Its gentle feeding system protects high-value materials, making it ideal for cashews, rice, and grains. Jialong Technology, your partner for smarter packaging solutions.